Moving on now to development there coming to the fore from Priyanka Chaturvedi, where following her suspension from the Rajya Sabha, the Shiv Sena MP has now stepped down as the anchor of Sansad TV. She's written to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, conveying her decision to step down as an anchor from one of the programs that she was supposed to host on Sansad TV. She's also taken to Twitter to confirm that development. She says, "It is with anguish that I step down as the anchor of the TV show Meri Kahani. I am unwilling to occupy space on Sansad TV for a show, but denied space on it for discharging parliament duties due to an arbitrary suspension." Megha Prasad, senior editor, with me for more on this. Now, Megha, the showdown clearly over these suspended MPs has now gone on to another facet, so to say. Priyanka Chaturvedi there stepping down as an anchor of one of the shows on Sansad TV.
Well, yes, that's correct. I mean, with this decision of hers, clearly it's gone beyond the purview of the Parliament. She, along with some other opposition MPs like Mr. Shashi Tharoor, etc., they are anchors on the new Sansad TV, and they have shows for themselves. And it's all been going on quite well for herself, for her also. I mean, I remember her talking about, how interesting this new job for her is. And every time coming back from Mumbai to, go through the shoot and ensure that the episodes are ready in time, all of them are devoting time to their own shows on Sansad TV. But now, with the decision of the Rajya Sabha to suspend them for the entire of the winter session, clearly now she taking this decision, this has come, I think, on the back of a lot of back and forth that has happened. The back channels has gone on to ensure that there is some resolve to the impasse that we are seeing in Rajya Sabha. In fact, just 2 days back, I had a conversation with the suspended MPs, and they were a little hopeful that perhaps the government and the chairman Rajya Sabha they might just want to take a little bit of lenient view towards the decision that has been taken, and that a middle path would be found. That doesn't seem to have happened. The government is quite adamant that the suspension remains till the time these MPs come and apologize. The apology isn't happening. This is what these suspended MPs say. So there is no solution to the deadlock which has happened as far as this aspect is concerned. Otherwise, the House is functioning. The Rajya Sabha is functioning, so is the Lok Sabha. But these 12 MPs have been sitting outside doing the dharnas on a daily basis.
Right,
and
we
now,
have seen these protests by the MPs and other opposition members outside the Parliament as well. For the moment, Megha, thank you so much for getting us those details.